Yes, good morning to all of you. Myself Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. So dear students, in our today's lecture we are going to discuss about the polarization of space waves. So as all of we know that what exactly we mean by the polarization. So while transmitting the signal through the space wave communication, what should be the polarization of the electromagnetic wave? Before moving to that part, let us have a look over the polarization concept that we already discussed in our previous lecture. Uh, Polarization is nothing but the position of electric field vector of electromagnetic wave. So if your electric field vector it is in horizontal plane, we can say that this electromagnetic wave is horizontally polarized. But if the electromagnetic wave electric field vector it is in vertical plane, then we say that this particular EM wave it is vertically polarized. Now while doing the space wave propagation, always we are preferring the horizontal polarization because the horizontal polarizations has two reasons. Selection of this particular horizontal polarization have two important reasons. One of the important reason is that the earth surface is having some curvature nature, so imperfections are there. So because of this particular imperfections, many times the signal gets lost. Now what we have to do, we have to keep in mind that there should be a minimum loss while doing the space wave propagation. So if we compare between horizontal polarized wave and the vertical polarized wave, so at that time we see that the horizontal polarized wave has less number of losses rather than that of your vertically polarized wave. So this is one of the reason that we are preferring the horizontally polarized wave rather than that of a vertically polarized wave for sending a signal through the space wave propagation. Second reason is you are observing here. The second reason is that the horizontal polarization ensures less interference due to the man-made noise, such as the noise generated by automobile ignition systems, electrical equipments. So such a kind of noise are very much harmful for the vertically polarized wave. So that's why rather than taking this particular vertically polarized wave, many times we are using horizontal polarizations because these noises are very less harmful for this particular horizontally polarized wave. So this is all the reasons because we always prefer the horizontal polarization while doing space wave propagation. Now let us have a look over the applications of space wave. Many times this particular wave it is used for television broadcasting of the signal. Then we can also do the radio broadcasting, FM radio broadcasting with the help of space wave signals. The microwave links application, satellite communication application, also we prefer the space wave type of communication or the propagation. So TV broadcasting is one application, FM radio broadcasting is second application, microwave links is the third application, and last but not least the satellite communication is the fourth application of space wave propagation. So this is all about the applications and polarization of your space wave propagation. In our next lecture we will try to discuss on the concept, new type of concept propagation, that is called as the depth propagation. So meanwhile we will stop here. Thank you very much.